cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite. They taking a play. They're solving a feeling that I'm gonna say.
You know the rules. What is up, everyone? Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. Glad to be here with you guys for another session. Guys, today my alarm went off, and I'm going to be so honest, and again, this is on transparency. I was not having it this morning. But
Yo, wait, hold on. Is this his mic cutting, or is that just my headphones?
am I quiet, guys? You guys hear me or what? Or is production
Oh, there we go. There we
and
go.
this guy beside me just
Now I hear you.
yapping?
Audio is okay here. Perfect. Okay, Lomenko. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody.
We got 3 minutes until they open, guys.
Soon. Taco Tuesday. Yo, maybe we should get tacos.
Fasting.
I know. It's okay. Audio's good, but it did cut out once. All right, if it ever cuts out, let us know.
Guys, I'm currently 34 hours fasting.
It just cut out. Oh, okay. You got to turn your input, I think.
He just said 34 nice.
I know, but it said like fast. You got to turn it a little bit higher.
Is this better for you?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I hear both of you just fine. All right, maybe I'm just
They're
twipping.
just freaking tweaking on me. Anyways, premium
I'm 60. This guy's 60 hours fasted.
W.
Are you hungry?
I'm aiming for this fast 450, but we'll see.
450.
50 hours.
Oh,
450
4
hours.
as in FOR. Very interesting.
Just water? Yes. I mean, I'm allowing myself like obviously like the 10 calorie, 0 sugar monsters and like all of that. But like it's 10 calories. Like I don't care.
Seems like a cheat to me.
With enough monsters you can have.
Zeus said, I'm 2 hours into digestion from 2 McGriddles.
That's hilarious.
Hey.
I hear myself on your mic.
Yeah, I hear.
Oh. Talk?
Hello. Yeah, I hear myself. I told you it has to be at like 38.
Okay, how about that? How about that? Is that good? Is that good? I think that's good.
What am I at? 36?
Well, it's what I'm at, technically. 32.
That's what I was at. And
Yeah, but you gotta
guys couldn't hear me.
You gotta have the mic like.
Oh, there's my short Ramsley.
Hello.
Anyways, guys, tried taking the short, got taken out really early. As you guys can see, I am currently down $246 to start off the day. But on my main account, we hit PDPT in Globex with premium. Who took that banger last night? Yeah, I still really hear it, John. Did you?
What? Oh my! Well, it's my motive for sure. All right. Okay. I found the issue.
Oh yeah, that's way better. Anyways, there
That's my bad.
is our open, guys. I am looking for shorts here, as you guys can see. Already trying to take place. That 900 is going to act as a pretty key support. As you guys can see yesterday, this is where we wicked and then reclaimed straight off of. So we're watching 912 from yesterday's levels.
I'm looking at 880. See if we get a bounce from there.
Yeah, 880
Good morning,
is pretty nice.
Ketsup. Morning, Kels.
Yeah, I'm really watching this 900. It's the level I stocked yesterday, so 925 to 900. I told premium. I'm really watching those levels. Any reclaims of 950 puts us in a position of above previous day high and Friday session high. We do have a 30-minute reversal base here at the top, which I made sure to put in pink for you guys. That way you guys cannot miss it. I also started to label out all of my chart. So like if it's on a higher time frame, such as here's my daily, you guys will see whether or not it's a daily range.
Eric is spamming Microsoft.
Microsoft, LOL. Yeah, we
printing?
are absolutely fucking printing on that. I called it. I literally called it, Eric. I literally called that bitch. Let me take my trims. I'm in it. Let's fucking go. I better see some testimonials because that is fat. I literally did not alert a singular trim on that bitch. Anyways, 100 and ooh, still going. 200 me, 200 me, 200 me. Fill me. Hey yo. Fill me. There we go. 245 just got filled on my 410s. On my 400s, absolute banga.
Banga. Oh, there's the tap. There's the tap I wanted to see. Now I just got a C, ISD. Don't say I don't remind you about your option.
For real, thank you.
Wait, was it Eric that reminded you that last time?
No, it was
But then
Alphamir.
Oh, that was Alphamir. But he didn't at you. Damn, Eric didn't at you either. Come on, Eric. Do you really care? Oh yeah, we have news today. Well, we have news every day this week. Oh, we don't have news today. Am I tweaking?
It just yaps.
Did they move it? Nah, that's cap. They finessed me. I swear there was Red Folder Tuesday. Am I tripping? Somebody back me up. Gov shutdown type. U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. There was. That's what I'm saying. Classic for real. What did I just move? Hello? Oh. All right. Just chilling here. Just chilling. Who already printed?
Guys, 400 piece and the 410s move the exact same. I'm kind of sad by that. I'm not going to lie. I am kind of sad about that.
On what? On stream or on Discord?
Bro, I don't think you on your what's it called? On the site. So it still changed.
It has no audio.
Go back to
Nope. We're good. All right, test it.
Test, baby.
Okay. Welcome to technology. Oh, we're breaking through. Dope. What's up, everybody?
Shut
First
down.
day with y'all, working through the classes. Nice. Good shit, Spence. Welcome to the stream. Zulu, up 291 already. Dub. Sized properly today. Good shit, Zulu. What's ES doing? Is ES lacking? ES is lacking a bit.
There goes Microsoft, baby, trying to go again. Let's fucking get it.
Okay, but
Let's
is it bad or like
fucking
who cares?
get it. 200% right there. Oh man, not again. So as you guys can see right here, if you guys are just wondering why I took Microsoft, you do have a massive gap coming in from May, literally May. So we took that gap as soon as it entered. It is now here halfway through is going to be 410.66, which is always going to be your main target. When it comes to gaps, it's going to be that CE for rebalancing. And then if it continues to break from there, you got room all the way to 396, which puts us deep inside the money.
Yo, how's my audio? Is it good? Nice.
Right now it sounds good, but I mean
All right, cool.
we've barely spoken
I think I fixed it.
that a few times now.
It's good. Wait, we already took a trade on NQ. Ace, would you like to answer that?
No, we did not. I tried to take a trade in pre-market, and I took the L. So that's why it is down on the account right now.
Good shit, H. He said, I so desperately want to trade, but I'm going to wait till the first 15 minutes have passed. Gotta follow my rules.
Holy shit, guys! Take a look at Wells Fargo for my stocks people, stocks, options, any sort of derivatives of the sort. Wells Fargo is having a nice rip right now.
Everybody.
Got financials on. Whoa. There's that
Oh, yeah.
short, by the way. Shit.
Premium printed last night. Tell him about last night. All I know is my phone was blowing up at like 9 p.m. Eastern.
So I had my level, right? And I'm like, man, I'm going to risk 20 points here. Ends up taking me out, John, by 2 points. Goes back to my level. And because of that full rejection at the top of 26K, I'm like, you know what? I'm going full position in this time around. Goes straight to PT. All of premium is banging off. And I'm like, guys, it's going to retest 950. Goes to retest 950. I say round 3, laughing face, laughing face, laughing face. Next thing you know, straight to 900. And there was PDPT on my main accounts.
What's actually funny, not taking the Asia alerts, you're like basically missing out on like half the plays. And they always bang. Not always, you know, sometimes you take L's like that first one.
Hey, I just said, yeah, the first one did take an L. If someone was a little bit looser, they caught that full thing.
Saf, when market opens again at 6 p.m. Eastern, which means you can trade again.
There is the slide. Like I said, guys, I was
Technically,
looking
it's
for
just 7
shorts.
p.m.
Rams, what level did I say shorts at? Where I was like, short. 980, guys. I've been trying to take these shorts. It took me out. And next thing you know, absolute dumpster fire. But it is what it is, you know. Hindsight's always 20/20. It could have stayed a little bit looser, but I wanted to wait for the accounts for stream, so on and so forth. It's hard being in my position. Oh, whoop-de-doo. Nonetheless, guys, in Asia, or in Globex, I should say, because it's not only just Asia, right? Sometimes it's dead zone. But in Globex, we are currently PDPT this week. So I asked Premium, guys, should we run a Globex straight to funded to payout? What do you guys think? Everyone in here, what do you guys think? Should I do it? Globex straight to funded to payout.
You know why I think it's dope? Because a lot of people have full-time jobs, and that makes it that they can actually like fully lock in on a prop to payout after work, like when they get home. Also, for a lot of the other time zone people that literally can't make it to 9:30 open, I think it would be banger for them too.
These are my alert settings for Ace Futures production. Can you tell me why I don't get the alerts? Do you have Ace alerts set? No. So you have to go over to activate alerts inside of the premium section, Phantom. You don't even have me triggered on. Right there. So click on that and then click on Ace.
Yeah, and then it gives you the roll, so you always get pinged. Lamenko gonna be so mad. He wants to sleep Globex time.
Let's see if we can get this Microsoft to break here, guys. In terms of futures, we haven't really got anything. I was looking for shorts. I missed it. It literally was off of that 950 and continued to slide. And I said I was going to stock 900. As soon as it got to 900, she just dumpster fired. So just got to stay patient. We can't catch them all.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's not like Pokemon when it comes to trading, huh?
Zeus said, "When are you gonna start the challenge?"
Goal is potentially next week if we get enough traction, if enough people actually care. So off that 900, guys, it is already 80 points down as we test this 820, 815, still going. Bottom of the range goes all the way down to 780, but in terms of structure, that 800 right there is going to be structure for previous day session. Oh, and we're just watching. We are just watching. You guys want to get controversial? You guys want to start fights in chat? Thoughts on ice? I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. No politics here.
I like it with my Coke. Mello, you DJ? It's kind of tough.
Wait, I just realized something. Mello, do I know you in person? Or did I used to know you? Or like, did we know each other? Now we never met? All right, bet.
What a short, for real. I'm in Miami. Tough.
GC with a nice pop. ES. Ooh. Look at ES in comparison to NQ. We got financials on whoa, though, guys. Financials are ripping right now. A lot of our bigger names are sliding as of right now for our top market cap players, our mega cap, I could say.
ES is lacking.
Whoa. Take a look at the Dow Jones. That's how you know financials are going crazy right now. Look up YM. YM is
Wow.
just ripping up, guys.
All the boomers are tweaking. Who trades YM here? Anybody? Anybody take this YM long?
There's NQ with the slide, guys. That just broke that level, which gets really interesting now.
That's our monthly anchored right there for me. Is yours in a different spot?
Sorry, 1 second. What'd you say?
That's my monthly anchored.
That's my weekly. I mean, yeah, because they're stacked right now because it's only been 1 day. So it's weekly and monthly. You feel me?
Oh, I see it. Or am I tripping?
That's also our orb high from yesterday's session, guys. They're at 733. So if it can break 722, I'll actually look for a continuation into this short. It won't be for much. Or if we reclaim 780, 780 to 800 is going to be a key level for any sort of reversal. So again, to the downside, looking for a break of 722 to continue to the downside, or looking for a reclaim of 780 to 810 as a 800, I'll say. Sorry.
What a dumpy.
What a dumpsteroonie. We got 1 minute and we got our 15-minute orb for those orb traders. We got a new low as well on MSFT, baby. That thing is still going. We are currently up 215% on our 400 Ps. Still a lot of room to go if this thing does continue to slide.
I like the long over 85-ish.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Anything above 80 to like 800, 800 or 780 to 800 is going to be that sweet spot for me. If we can fully reclaim over 800, I'll get into a full position. 780, I'll probably start it off with like a singular micro or two. Wouldn't even be bad off of like 727, 733, right where it is. It's just it's a knife right now. I don't really want to get caught in this knife. But 733 to 778, it's a decent amount of range, like 40. But your risk has to be 15. It's not horrible. 15, 20.
Yeah, I also don't like how ES and NQ don't care about each other.
Yeah.
ES is below orb. Already past 236.
Who's below orb? What are you saying?
Yes.
It's not.
What?
Oh, are you using my indicator? You got to re-render it.
Moski
See,
Moski.
this is why we haven't alerted our indicator yet. A lot of times people are going to screw up.
Good
There's
thing I don't even
780
trade
right
ES.
there. So like I said, grabbing that bounce off of 733 wouldn't be horrible. Going all the way up to 780, but I'm looking for the full continuous move, not just scalps right now. And that's going to mean 780 starting position if it actually gets a close inside of my range, and then 800 if we can fully reclaim 800. Even 822. So whoever said 822 in chat not available, for sure, 822 is such a gorgeous level.
Mm-hmm.
There's 790, like I said. Going to start off a little starter position here. There's 800. If it breaks, we're going to look for that add-in, guys. So initial position got in at 92. 92 initial position longs as of right now. Watch for the invalidation chill here. Putting a decent amount of risk. I only have 2 micros as of right now, not a full position. Did not close above 800 just yet. 822 is going to be that sweet spot. That's going to be a full BOS on a higher time frame. Yeah, that puts us back inside of range. So not a technical BOS, but you guys know.
Oh.
Tiny gains right there, huh? What was that? 19 points. It's not horrible, but it's not the move we're looking for.
Kells is long.
Yep, I'm long. Kells is long. There it is at 810, guys. Trying to see if we can get that close. Not going to be too quick on the trigger. Just staying patient because I don't want to increase my risk just because I want extra monies. I want to make sure that we get the full confirmation, especially since we're playing against the trend right now. Just got to play smart and make this as easy to follow for you guys, because we got a lot of kudos for that yesterday, where the trades were announced. They were super clean, super easy to follow, and we're going to continue to have that same experience for you guys day in and day out. Wells Fargo with the new high for you options traders as well. Also, John picked this one up, guys. It's new. And I didn't even believe him when he said, "Oh, the pink purple one." I'm like, "What? That's not existent," because I know every single flavor.
And I thought you were like King Monster.
Yeah, but this one is new. It's Ultra Wild Passion. It's ass. Tastes like shit.
Yeah, it sucks.
Like, it's not that it sucks, because it's better than Celsius still, but
okay,
it's
that's
still not
crazy. It is not better than Celsius. That one's ass. That
It's
one's
better.
ass.
No, it's actually better than Celsius.
Dude, that one Celsius flavor.
Rams, try this and tell me if this is better than Celsius.
You-
You're
you-
actually gonna say
yo,
yes.
You had that
Here,
one
do
Celsius
it right here.
flavor.
That's better than Celsius.
Celsius.
Yeah, but which tastes better?
Depends on the Celsius flavor.
Oh, a good
Yeah.
Celsius is better than that.
Yeah, but you said all the graphic Celsius, and all the graphic ones are ass. That one wasn't
No.
graphic. That watermelon one.
Yeah, that one was
And
that one.
the watermelon one is only tough because I'm a watermelon.
No, you can't
Retesting
lie.
780 right here, guys. So this gives me a little bit more confidence. Say if it touches 780, reclaims back over 800, and then pushes above 811, which is our current structure high on a lower time frame. That gives me a little bit more confidence, and I'll begin my add-in from there. 822, we should be full position already, or that could be even. What was I going to say, John? That could even
What were you gonna
be
say?
your exits, depending on your sizing and positioning. Because I'm not your papa. You do whatever you want.
I am not
I am not your papa.
your papa. Alpha said, what's
I
your
don't know why I
SL?
like that so much. Right now it is on the floor, but like a 745 is what makes sense right now. Again, it's only 2 micros, so I'm down $100 right here, which isn't fun, but it's coming down real quick. Nice rejection off of that same level, which is the entry criteria. Yeah, 745, 735 is going to be like SL, but I'm not going to, if it taps, it taps. Ooh, just missed me by what, a tick? 2 ticks. It's going to come though.
Miss me with that bullshit.
It's going to come.
Calls us out.
Still not out for myself just yet. 245. It literally just missed me by a couple ticks there. 245. John, are you in any trades?
I am not.
He is not in any trades, guys.
I haven't announced anything. I haven't gotten in a trade yet, for real.
And looks a lot weaker. If this does break that 750, 750, that's only 20. Not a huge fan of that. But off of 750 break underneath, you got levels at 728 and 733. So it's not worth the short until it goes under those and clears it.
But I need to ask you something.
There you go. Nice little test of that 780 again. Needs a reclaim, guys. Otherwise, this thing is dunzos. Let's see though. And I also got in well above where I wanted to, obviously. I wanted in at that 780, which is right where it is, and I got 92 off of that momentum. Waited for the close, and it gave me a nice hammer / shooting star. Shooting star on a 1 minute, 3 minute, just straight reversal.
Miss me with, bro, I feel like
Retested that
NQ.
780 and just rejected off of it again. Down 20 points off that 780 from my position. Obviously, that is 30 points. Still holding up pretty well. I'm okay with this position, actually. I'm going to slide my SL down to 35, which is my maximum loss here. I'm just going to give it a little bit more breathing room.
Type. I feel like NQ's just been opening and just choosing a direction. And then mooning in that direction. Still waiting for the 822?
ES, which seems to be holding up a lot of the market in terms of our sectors, guys. So, am I going to do it right now? Sure, I'll do it. Let's duplicate our 6 charter. Let's go over to our chart layouts. And I should have one for sectors. I didn't need to
Miss me with
duplicate.
that bullshit. You're really wild, you're a tourist.
VWAP is getting messy on these charts. Anyways, let's just keep it whatever.
I'll be blacking out for the purist. I made 500,000, then I freaked it.
Okay, so as you guys can see here, when we're dealing with our sectors, we did have a nice push from, I just got tapped, by the way, guys. Our consumer discretionary had a nice push, is now dropping. Obviously, our tech, absolute slide. Our energy is on a push. We have consumer staples on a push. And then we have utilities on a push. Therefore, we can now see that sector rotation really start to happen here. In terms of why ES is holding, why the Dow is holding, but we have NQ with a full slide. It is underneath those levels, guys. That gives me more confidence to enter into a short. I would like a retest of that 723, but I would rather be in the trade than not in it at all right now, especially since that confirmed that break. SL has to be. Did that just what?
I'm gonna wait for this 10 a.m.
That's fair.
Personally, literally. Is that a statue? Literally? So we don't have a red folder? No, we
Am I
don't.
tripping out?
It got government shutdown moved. Why are you tripping?
I don't know, but we're going into green real quick here, guys, and that is our previous month POC. If we slide under there, it's looking pretty nice. 704 was our entry, 704.50, which is currently up 20-ish points. Let's see if we can target our orb extension down here at 668. I do like that retest of that 700 that she just did. Going to look for a little add-in right there as well. So that did push me down to 693. Original position though, 704.50. Continuing to slide, 26 points, 30 points right there. And
Beauty.
potentials for trims as it approaches 668, 669. So we'll say 670.
Good shit, Ace. For everybody that is new, remember, if you want the best discount codes possible, use code PHUB, code PHUB. If you're buying props anyway, you might as well save the most money possible.
That's why I was tripping out so bad. I was tripping out because I was trading on a 15-second. Holy
This
shit.
guy's
Did
a
anyone notice
degen.
that? Did anyone notice that? I was literally tripping right there. Guys, it is sliding, currently up 43 points and still going, making back that loss really, really quick there. I think it's pretty nice. You got your ADR high here at 650. So taking my trim right there and moving my SL. So that did push my average now to 82.50 after that trim. So you guys could move stop loss. Again, you have your previous month POC here at 90, our original entry at 704, and then your first deviation 236 sitting at 69. So keeping at like 70, 80 could be a nice move right here. Still trying to extend, guys. There it is, 60 points on the table as we approach our CE on our monthly scale. And that is going to be full PT for me right here, trimming off one of the two and holding this last one just to see her slide into a continuation. Absolute
Good
gorgeous move.
shit.
And that there it is, guys. 67 points. 67 points with gorgeous add-ins.
Let's
And
get some W aces in the chat.
almost no drawdown in that. Really,
Testes.
really nice.
Let's get some testimonials. Show me your testes.
Absolute W.
Watermelons in the chat.
And this is what we mean, guys, by like, don't let that first trade like affect how you're going to take your second trade, right? Everything has to be pre-calculated. So your first trade should be the same reaction to your third trade in terms of what is your entry criteria, what is your scaling criteria, what is your adding criteria, what is your closing criteria, so on and so forth. There it goes, guys. Absolute continuation past the CE now. We are currently up 73 points. On a singular micro, I was up $100 down there. Currently 97, 98. Really nice trade. Going to move my SL even more in profit. Not really going to give away some of these gains. So I'm going to position it right above our ADR low and right here at that 236. So I'm going to say 70.
Good play.
Let's see if this continues. There it goes. Still going. Bottom of that ADR is target of 90 points, guys. Yeah, we got ES with the slide as well. This is why, guys, I love looking at our sectors because ES was holding up the market, right? We just had to wait for, obviously, There it is, guys. Absolute monstrous slide now.
What a
As we
monster,
approach our
holy.
golden zone, that is our golden pocket in between our 1.5 and our 1.68, and that is 100 points now. 100 points.
Who caught that? Let me see these testes.
I want to see this hold under 600, and I'll actually begin to add back into that same position. So this is the same running position, just grabbing different legs off of it.
Well, Eric actually printed on your
There
option.
it is, guys. Testing 600 once again, giving me my add-in criteria right there. Putting my stop all the way in profit. And if it gets me tapped, cool, got tapped on that one. And we are already back to break even, guys, even though I took that morning loss. So technically, from the start of stream, we are heavy green here. Still in with a singular micro and just chilling right now. It did bring my cost all the way to the floor, which is fine because we know that my break even is all the way up there. But man, what a trade. Absolute sexy. Absolute sexy trade.
What did I print on? On Microsoft, wasn't it? Or am I tweaking?
You
Am I
were
twipping?
Am I twipping? Whoa.
Am I twipping?
I'm going to turn off my orb indicator for you guys as well. Let's go through some of this analysis. So we do have our previous... Whoa. Stuff. We do have our previous month value area low sitting at 570. So we did come close to it all the way at 85-ish. We did have that fair value gap on an hourly from yesterday's session, that monstrous glizzy that came in. And that ends all the way at 540. Which is still massive moves from here. We're talking still 60 points. I'm going to see if I can get an add in again. This is definitely riskier. There we go. Nice slide, pushing me in green, baby. And I'll take myself out. I do not care. Sexy, guys. We are deep green now on the account. And again, I would be watching out for 540. That is going to be one of my last targets. Which is the massive push before that market open yesterday session. Continuing the slide. Let's go back into our lower time frames, guys. So we can delete that first move. And within the second move, we are currently 125 points of open position from that start with multiple add-ins, guys, multiple add-ins. I just want to see if it reclaims 600, because if it reclaims 600, we could get that bounce at like 610, 615. So my SL is now 615, if anyone was wondering. And it is a singular micro because I keep adding in and then exiting. We got that wick to 610, and it looks like it might come for me, which is fine. A safer SL is like 625. Sure. Let's do it, Ace. Why not? Let's take the risk. We already printed so much. There we go. There's the bounce. And we are back at our ADR low. So absolute sexy trade, guys. We are talking 139.5 points from our initial entry, reclaiming CE here. And if it goes back over 650, 655, even 657, you could see that reversal all the way back up to 690. Which will give us another 40 points on top of all of this. Absolute, really, really nice catch.
Absolute banger.
Really, really nice catch. I'm very happy with those gains.
Fire. What was that? 100 points?
140.
140 point short.
Yep.
You could have entered like 70 points late and still hit a banger. Isn't that crazy?
You know what's crazy? I am printing right now on Meta, but I did miss my fill, which is fine. Whatever.
Miss me with that bullshit. Banana. Banana. Ace, can you explain more about the thing about how a sector is affecting a market?
The sector itself doesn't affect the market. It's what makes up the sectors, because the sectors make up the indices. 1 second. I'm just taking a trim. Sorry.
Oh, you're talking about ES and NQ. ES and NQ are supposed to, they usually move together. So when one is like moving sideways and another one is just nuking downwards, that would be considered an SMT.
So still up on.
And movement's usually cleaner when they move together. Yeah, pretty much.
Here we go, back down, guys. I really wanted that break us 600 once again for this continuation. Let me start it off, which is insane because we do have that nice juicy wick. But I think I'm just having fun at this point. So that is 580 fill, 580 fill. And again, this one is definitely riskier with not that much targets right now. We're talking 15 points first target, which is right there. There's 17 already. And there's a continuation, I guess. Cool. 25. We're getting new lows already.
Beauty.
Insane session, guys. Just got to find your direction, hold your bias, which don't marry your bias, but definitely take it into consideration, especially with these intraday moves. And that did touch our previous month value area low. So I could move this SL all the way to BE now if I really wanted. I just wanted to break 71 with a hold, which gives me the confidence to add into this trade, especially if it holds underneath 64. So there's that 64 retest on that open. And let's see if it slides under 50. That's going to be where the real damage happens. So 30 points right here, guys. 30 plus.
Two fire. Zulu, 530, my next PT.
I got 61 points on my next PT. So that brings us to like 520. Let me see on our daily chart. Daily chart is saying 530.
I have 534.
Yeah. And I mean, there it goes back above 580 right here, guys. So tread lightly. Like we are getting really volatile moves now. This trade, which was plus 30, could easily take you out now. Right? Especially if it goes to reclaim 600. But I'm okay with it. It's easy to do. You like that?
Taylor, in $36, I'm $36 away from passing this evaluation. I need to call it so I don't tilt. Don't tilt.
Don't tell.
Don't do it. Don't tilt right before. Get that funded. Shit.
Back under 580 to 571. Like I said, guys, that's going to be room for a continuation. Otherwise, this thing just reclaimed. Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I didn't put this properly. So that was plus 30 there at the bottom. Again, you got to trade your own trade at this point because 600. Let's see if it reclaims or if it rejects here now. This is going to be crucial for whether or not we have identified what our range is. So our range low versus our range high. In ICT terms, your external liquidities.
Liquidity.
But that was a nice trade in itself. Let's see.
Mhm.
Oh,
This can
testing
potentially be
under
the bottom.
600. It doesn't want under 600 no more, it seems.
Mm-hmm.
Just trying to stay a little patient here. There's 610 being tested. Your invalidation is essentially 620. Anything over 620, you kind of you got to let that position go if you're still in shorts. But hey, you guys could be as loose as like 650, depending on like where your entry is. Obviously, like if you're still in that initial entry, 650 is nothing to you. You're chilling up
Yeah.
at that 700 still.
What's ATR right now? Holy.
It's actually not bad. 45, 46 on a 3-minute. So on a 1-minute, it's currently 32.
That's
31.
actually not bad. It just
Not
looks
horrible.
bad because it's all one direction.
Yeah. Ah. Did someone say One Direction? No, it's funny. In my head, I was trying to think of a song. Nothing came to head.
Yeah, that took a
Like,
while for me to
nothing
lock
came to
in.
my mind. There is 680, 670 being tested. I want to see this under 71, which is going to give me gorgeous add-in right here. Again, it needs to break underneath. Otherwise, a full reclaim of 600 is definitely possible here. There it goes. I'm going to add in, but I'm also going to keep this insanely tight, guys. I can't keep it tight if my mouse isn't working. Bro, there we go. Sliding, sliding. I'm getting greedy. I want 550. Give me 550, baby.
Yo, JJ, so like, do I have the security
There we
job?
go. I
Hmm.
just took myself out of that add-in.
Nice, good
Doesn't
shit.
seem like a lot, but I mean, 20 points, it really stacks up, especially when you're trying to identify those levels for your add-ins. Still in with 2 micros, though. And it's chilling.
Yo, what do you think?
What's up?
We have Lamenko as HR, not available, really wants to be security.
I mean, self-proclaimed, sure. There we go, guys. There's 550. Yesterday's morning session, 540. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
There we go, guys. New lows and still going, still sliding, guys. Absolute insane trade today. We are now talking from those highs all the way at Rams. What was my position? 704? 703.75? Initial position?
Your original?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is 165 points, guys. And all we've been doing is just adding in, trailing, adding in, trailing, adding in, trailing. Still going, guys. Absolute sexy trade. Holy sharts buckets. What? What is a sharp bucket, John?
What? A sharp bucket? Is that what you said? Am I deaf?
Yeah. They're 650. No reclaims of 650, baby. No reclaims of 6 or 550.
Shorts
Sorry.
are shorting.
Shorts are definitely shorting. I wanna see this through. Give me another add-in right there.
Into?
Oh, that didn't fill me. Oh, the limits sometimes be killing me. That's wild. That is wild. I get hurt here. No breaks above
Wait, I need
550.
to think about it.
No breaks above 550. Above 550, I invalidate myself. So I'll say 70, 75 would have to be SL here, which could be an add-in. If you go to retest,
Mm-hmm.
71 again. It's always that 71. Keep coming back to.
Shit. I would say use code PHUB to get new accounts, but I feel like everyone hit PDPT today and doesn't need new accounts. Dub! That's on type shit.
Who's typing while shitting?
Shitting while you're typing. Most people type while they're
There's
shitting.
underneath 50 again. It still needs to hold. I don't think it will anymore. I think this trade might be done, but we'll see. So putting your SL right above that wick for invalidation is super easy. or even just slightly above 66. So 63, 66 instead of risking the extra 13 points that I have. And let's see
You
if she
don't
continues to
know.
slide.
Oh, you don't know you're beautiful.
Back under 50, still hasn't closed.
Mhm. So desperately.
Testing 6 or 550 again. And looking like we're getting some juice. There's the juice.
I actually low-key want to see a reversal from this area.
Yeah, I mean, that would be fat. Took me out there, guys. It's fine. Nice add-ins and all of that. That one was just whack because it didn't fill me for my full position when I wanted to scalp that up. It's okay.
But the only thing, this movement, like, for my SL to make sense, it's gonna have to be deep. Oh,
What insane moves, man.
real.
Absolutely insane moves. That was a total of 172 points in total from initial position, and we had multiple legs there. With that last leg cutting me off. Kind of juicy. Still net
Sorry, Miss
green on
Jackson.
stream as of right now.
Ooh, I am for real.
That's 71. Like I said, guys, that's going to be pretty crucial to me for potential reversals. But your full reversal, I would say, is 630. Like you would have to wait. Kind of lame.
Gonna have to wait for that confirmation.
You know, that's volatile though. From
Yeah.
545 all the way up to 93, still 50-point move right there.
Took ES shorts with full confidence. Good as shit.
Yep.
$582 on 5 accounts.
On TS. Absolute banger. Good job, Royal.
$2,500. What's your top 5 music artists, Ace and JJ? Ooh. That's actually a really good question.
Are you talking rappers? Are you talking overall? Because I don't think I can
Yeah.
choose overall. I am like very, very like musically versed, meaning like I
I
do
could choose
enjoy
overall.
country. I enjoy
Rapper.
R&B. I enjoy rap. I enjoy literally everything you could play. I'll probably bop to it. I have like really good appreciation for music.
I feel like everybody's number one on their all-time artist list needs to be Michael Jackson, or I just don't trust your opinion on music. Like all-time artist number one, it's Michael Jackson.
There's
Whether we like
71
it or
being
not.
tested again. Again, we're just chopping up here, guys, and it is a fat
Billie
range.
Jean.
So I would just be careful. But you could trade this up and down really nicely. Just got to be careful.
Do you have a top 5 rappers list?
Do I have a top 5 rappers list? Oh, I am really okay. So I have 2 right off the rip that I know that I could just,
Like all-time? Is this an all-time list?
for rappers.
Is this an all-time? Do you want all-time or do you want like right now favorite? Dylan. That's 4, first of all.
Oh, did he forget the 5th? Dylan.
I wonder who it is.
Trying to reclaim 71 still hasn't happened. Squeezing.
I'm not gonna lie, my number one rapper, it's Kendrick.
I already knew that.
Yep.
There's 71. That's a nice test right there. That gives me. There's on the 1 minute, 2 minute.
Yeti, you were
Looks
very
still pretty
funny.
healthy. 1 minute still looks healthy. 2 minute looks healthy. 3 minute, you got 50 seconds on that candle. Oh, I will wait for that. Or shit. To go.
Zeus, you don't fuck with Kendrick?
Ooh, off that 71, there it goes all the way to 600, which I mean, would have been obviously first targets, but it is only 30 points in retrospect.
Hmm.
Like I said, guys, your full reclaim needs to be like 620 for full longs. Like, don't try to bottom tick everything, right? Like we did in the morning. We didn't wait, or we didn't try to chase my long from this morning when it could have been at 970. We waited for the full confirmation with our levels, which gave us literally from 970 to 700. That's already 900 or 270 points that we missed out on. It's fine. Did you say you're long?
Yeah.
I agree
Zeus,
on
let me ask you a
that,
question.
especially if it holds.
Is Cardi in your top 3? I would just like to know.
Did you just say Drake?
Actually, not even in your top. Do you listen to Playboy Cardi or no? I'm just trying to like feel you out.
Hey yo, what the fuck? John be sus lately, guys. You see the videos that John be editing on our Prophub page?
I'm from the Bronx. That makes sense. I fucking hate Playboy Cardi. I think he's so garbage. I'm sorry to anybody who listens to him, but also I'm not sorry.
I mean, Zeus obviously listens to A Boogie. I fuck with A Boogie,
Hey, Boogie stuff.
especially his first album. Top tier shit right there. I went to his concert last year, or no, 2 years ago, year and a half, with Buffett. I went with Buffett.
Really?
Yeah.
Typing while shitting.
His opener was gay as shit, but whatever. Who's the guy that like humps the air? Do you know who I'm talking about? And he was making videos with Sophia Rain. Chris.
Sophia Rain or Sophie Rain?
Sophie Rain? I don't fucking know. I don't watch her.
J. Cole's fire.
J. Cole is top 3 on my list. And Travis for rappers. And Ali Choppa. Whack as shit, bro. He's so whack.
Oh,
He's
Choppa.
so whack,
yeah.
bro. Literally, all the girls were like drooling. Me and my boys were looking at each other. We're like, what the fuck is going on? We're like, this is whack.
Yo, Zeus, who's your top 3?
Kevin Gates is banger.
I need to know now. I need to know what Zeus listens to.
I'm
I
sorry.
have my stop at
Meek
28, by the
Mill,
way.
pretty banger.
Shut up. Isn't that what he says?
We are losing. Whoa, there's the short.
Oh, there it is.
Holy shit.
Tapliest.
Touch that 600 and just continue to slide, guys. Holy sharts.
I'm drowning.
And there's that 515 got tapped.
Drake, A Boogie,
But-
50 Cent. That is like such a mix.
50 is a banger.
50 is a banger.
50 is such a banger pull. Wow. Do we get under 500, guys? This thing is
tapped
going.
493. That's crazy.
Oh man, my next level is 480.
That
It's
is
literally 480. Any reclaims of 35. I'm still long for potential bounces, but man, this thing just showed its cards. It literally said I'm under 500, and this is where I shall be. There it is, guys. There's that 480. Watch for potential bounce right here.
M is fire. I feel like all time list, M is always like top 5 for sure.
Yeah.
If not top 3.
Does it slide under that?
Dax music go hard. What is he?
Oh shit. We did have a volume imbalance here from January 21st to 22nd, and that is the bottom of that range right there. So that gets a little interesting. That just tested underneath it, and I want to know if that actually gets filled now.
Do you know Dax?
Which
You know Dax, the rapper? Oh, he's so bad. It's hilarious.
I also love UK rap.
Oh, Dave? Tough.
Dave, tough. You fuck with Sench?
I
There's
do.
500 reclaim. I want to try to get a piece of this.
Caught that last leg shutting down. Good shit,
I'm
Mike.
taking the bounce, guys, off of literally 500 on the dot with my. 500.25. That is risky, guys. That is super risky. Literally, it knifed down, and I'm trying to catch a bounce off of it. Top of that range is 28, which I mean, it's already there. We're talking 30 points right off the rip skis. That was sexy. That was a really sexy catch. 40 points right there, guys. There is the bounce. Like I said,
crazy.
watch for that 480. Watch for that volume imbalance. And that is going to my PT all the way up to 50. And there's PT. If we can reclaim 50, this thing is just going to continue to send. And I want to do, it's going to sound insane again, but I want to do my add-in if we do break that 50. I want to get that full add, but that is 50 points, guys. 60 points now as we continue to push above our 50 and test above it. But we shall see. Moving this SL, obviously, to profit right now.
Nas,
But I
Fab,
do
J.
want my
Cole,
add-in.
Advanced, Jadakiss. Mike, that's a fire list.
I love
Super
Nas
fire.
as well.
Mm-hmm.
And off of that 550, it looks like it wants to potentially reject.
I even like me, my dad.
SL 28.5, but add-ins are at 50, which is right here. Okay, here's second leg, guys. Have fun. If it rejects, so be careful. Could put some very troubling waters. Go, pushing above 50. I'm going to keep my SL tight now as we begin to push. Nice. There's that catch. Absolute sexy, guys. There's 60 points. Still pushing.
Banger.
Trailing really hard now. 65. And taps me out. There we go.
That's on type shit. Banger, banger. Royal said, broke all my rules and took the ace lotto, and he's up 1,000 on 5 accounts. Dub.
W.
I guess that's a dub. That's a dub.
It's a
Completely
dub.
reckless
Don't do it again. I mean,
copy.
the thing is, I'm okay with Royal doing it because he's
Yeah.
he's literally been with me, guys, for years. So like, he knows what to do, and he knows, like, obviously he's not going to over leverage, or he's actually going to trust his SL and like all of that too. That is still above 50. The ad is still there. Just saying. As long as it continues to hold 50. Don't diss me.
Ew, dude.
Into
That's super gay.
what?
Those pics.
You
I'm deleting those.
know what's funny? I love rock.
ASAP.
I love
Ew.
rock. But anyone who follows me knows
Ew.
that because I went to so many concerts last year.
Ew.
Do you fuck with rock?
Yeah, like old school though.
Yeah, like 2000s rock. Top tier shit. Top tier shit. I know
Like,
Rams
honestly-
fucks with it too.
2000s. I mean, I was talking about like old school.
Oh, I'm talking 2000s. I'm talking like Evanescence. I'm talking like Green Day. I'm talking like
No,
fucking.
I'm talking like dream. Like that, you know what I mean?
That's pretty banger. That just broke 50 to the downside, guys. But I want to see because 25, 26 is going to be pretty a clear zone right here.
What's up?
Wet hands.
Oh, that's just-
I'm just dapping up Rams with his freaking wet ass hands. Ooh, we are getting volatile here, guys. We are seeing movements happen. It is 10:30. There's our 30-minute candle, an hourly candle from our open. So watch out here. Potential wicks on whoa. Potential big moves on reversal. So you just got to watch out here. Could easily reject everything and go short for the continuation. Could go long off that 50 if we hold. Who knows? We'll see on the next episode of Pokemon. What? I want 20. Is that insane? It's a lot of risk, but whatever.
Tight shit. Yo, should I get girls like that?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna talk to production real quick.
Oh, me too.
Nice.
How did your conversation with production go?
It was mid.
Yeah.
Production is green today as well. Shout out production. Production is currently green.
Bro, you know how I know Monster's actually banger? Because I don't like guava, but this guava is fire.
He loves that artificial shit.
Haha. Tight.
We do have top of my volume imbalance, which starts at 530. So again, guys, if it can hold 530, this thing needs to reclaim 550 because you don't want to be stuck inside that range or enter just because it bounced. So you're going to take multiple confluences, wait for the confirmation. So mine is that 530 first confirmation, 550 second confirmation, and then if it goes underneath 515, we got big room for. There you go. I just got stopped. It's fine.
Eric, don't FOMO.
That was good moves though, guys. Off of 500 to the top of that range, that was 70 points. Try to get another leg off of that. Obviously failed, and I'm okay with that. If we do reclaim back above that 530, like I said, you got room for a potential bounce if it reclaims 550, waiting for multiple confluences here. Really good trades today. In terms of my add-in on that, not the best, but multiple bangas.
Banger. Microsoft's at 4.
It's at 7 or 412. And my meta. That's what I was waiting for. Holy shit! My meta. Look at this. Right here. Right here's entry. Right there, baby. The option king is fucking back, baby.
Bro, when Ace calls options, his options be optioning. Just know that.
Holy fuck. This is actually insane, guys.
Tough skis. W pasta. Pasta in the chat. OG. You have got to be. I even know you mean by that. What a bunch of bangers. It's so funny when after you called that 140 points, there was like 20 people that dipped right away because they all hit PDPT.
I know, I saw that. We literally went from 90 all the way down to freaking 70. And now that we're just chilling, kind of just waiting this out, we only got 65.
Yo, listen to this. I don't know how this is free, bro. This is free game in 4K.
Who said that? Oh, Pasta. Shout out you, Pasta. Here we go with that 500 again, guys. This is where I got that initial position. So I would watch out here. That is the CE.
Yeah, look what Yeti sent with the volume. That's just funny.
Turn up volume. That's jokes.
Shit.
That's jokes.
Y'all gotta get paid.
That's jokes. I like that. I don't want to grab it off of 500 no more, just because like you do got volatile moves. So it has to be a reclaim of at least 515, your previous day value area low. Plus, that's the start of that wick down from the initial move down. Anything below 500, you got 480, which puts you in that potential bounce point once again, with the bottom of that range being 471, which is going to be your bottom of the volume imbalance. So it's kind of just filling in this imbalance right now, and then we can kind of dictate where it wants to go because it filled it really quick. And as I explained to you guys when Prophub first started, is whenever you get a quick move off of volume imbalances or gaps, it leaves a lot of missed information, meaning a lot of the transactions are not even filled when you're slicing through price like that.
Flamenco, you've said that before. We've been through this.
You just wanted to double down on it, man.
No, okay, I understand. I understand. This guy looks way better. Yeah, I get it. 100%. For sure.
Alpha Futures now accepts payments in crypto. Maybe we'll finally
Ooh.
bump from 6 sales up to 7.
For real. Maybe we'll get code PHUB instead of
There is 500 being tested
Ace
off of
999
that
268.
480 again.
Flamenco. Are you gonna be in that sack for Asia?
Michael won't be able to sleep anymore.
Flamenco doesn't sleep anyway. He said what? He doesn't even know. Oh no, he said what to that? I understand. Is there sack for Asia? Yeah. Probably gonna start next week. Does it help if I do multiple server boosts? Yeah. You can do multiple. We actually do need a couple boosts. High key.
More than high key. Still testing this 500. It's actually struggling off this 500 now. That's why I said 515 for full confirmation. And that would be an actually daily hold if that thing doesn't get invalidated. There we go. Nice push off of it. Top of the range is 530 there. So 515, 530. Watch for that. There's 530. Do we get the break? Tested 530, coming back down 520. Does it go to 515? Not even. And does it reclaim over range with a close? We shall see. Other than this, guys, we're kind of just trading slowly. Again, I hit PDPT and Globex. This one right here, trying to trade a little bit more aggressively. There's the push off of that 330, guys. So from here, 540, we got 550. From 550, you got 65 and 71 for those tighter ranges. Above 71, you got clear skies. But once again, if you guys do look on a 5-minute, we are still putting in those lower lows and lower highs. So overall, buy is still short, like we've been saying since the open. You know what I mean, John?
I know what you mean.
The scalps here are
100%.
definitely available. John, you looking at any trades yourself? I want to scalp.
Yeah, but I gotta wait for it to confirm.
If I take any scalps, guys, I won't be alerting it just because they're so quick, and we want to be able to be followable and not people lose money because it's like, oh, in, out. And you guys know people like that too in the industry. We don't want to be known for that.
That's how most people are. It's like impossible to follow them.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
645, 545, I mean. 549, top of that range. And there it is. And there's our 50. So now let's see if we can reclaim above 50 this time around, which is where I did take an L on that add-in. But the overall position was fat green. So this is where it gets interesting for me. This is where I really like it. But I don't want to get burnt. So see if I can get a scalp.
Mhm.
Go in.
Type shit.
So I would just watch because you do got a lot of these equal highs here, guys, above 50. So 65, 75. Those are going to be like those closer levels. So that's what I'm scalping right now.
Above 68.50, I'm gonna go long.
I understand.
Type shit, type shit. I'm trying to be broke, but these streams are not helping. I keep printing.
That's jokes.
Sorry.
You're trying to be broke crazy.
I know a few
And
servers
there
you
we
could
go,
join
guys.
if you want to do
We
that.
got that wick under. I'm going to get tapped here.
I even know you mean my
See.
dad. Bro, look at all these testes.
I know. It's wild.
Omega said, I need to start trading Ace options callouts. Now, you know Ace is like actually an options guy?
It's my bread and butter right there.
Like that's his actual
Like, I know the
peak,
hype
is
is around
options.
futures. So, like, that's what we do for you guys. But my bread and butter is always going to be options.
It's true.
Well, shit. I took that L. I'm going to be done here, guys. Off of there.
Do you play ODTE?
Not anymore. I like doing it for myself, but in terms of alerting it, no, because a lot of people take too much risk. I'll do it if it's like a little gamble play or like I really have confidence in it. But hey, that's it. Anyways, guys, that is it from me, John.
Wait, we can't get another 150 points?
Man, we are moving
Aw.
sideways off of these levels, and I don't want to be caught in it anymore. So I'm going to stop myself here. But
Yo, that video is so good. Yo, watch that. Watch that
Which-
video, the one the Yeti sent. Thanks, guys. You're awesome, even if you listen to the wrong music. Damn, that's crazy, but I appreciate it.
PPPPT? What the fuck? All right, guys.
That's funny.
We will see you guys tomorrow. If you guys are going to open up any props, make sure to use code PHUB. If you guys want to join Premium, where we do daily breakdowns every single day. We also take Globex trades. We are also going to be starting really soon straight to funded to pay out once again. So we did this last time. We hit PDPT in the minimum days, which was 5, right, with a consistency of 20%. And that was on 3 accounts. So we got a payout of 7,500 on 350Ks with Top 1 Futures, to which, pivoting from Top 1 Futures, we are also doing a giveaway. For every account that you guys purchase, you guys get an entry into that giveaway. If you guys purchase 3 or more, you guys get double the entries, meaning you guys go from 2 with 2 accounts purchased to 6 with 3 accounts purchased. If you guys are going to join the premium, like I said, make sure to use code LOVE, which is going to give you 15% off forever. And you get to join the rest of these bangers that you guys see in chat that are absolutely printing. We have someone who literally said they made 2K and that paid for a whole year off of a singular trade. So we don't offer financial advice. It's all up to you. You guys click the buttons at the end of the day. We just offer our analysis on what we do on a daily basis as consistently and as transparent as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Absolute bangers were called out. And I shall see you guys tomorrow.
Wait.
And Premium, I shall see you in Daily Breakdown at 11:15.
Ooh, 11:15 this time.
15, yes. 1-5. Later, guys. Peace.
Later. Peace.